Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you exactly how to fix the ghost touch on Android when your phone starts tapping or scrolling by itself. It is quite annoying, but here are some of the fixes that usually solve it completely. So first of all, you need to remove any kind of screen protector or case that you are using. Sometimes the cheap protectors or the tight cases cause the static interference which makes the screen register fake touches. So you need to clean your screen with a soft cloth and check if the ghost touch stops, because it is going to clear the temporary glitches or any kind of background processes that can trigger any kind of random touches. Now you can also come here in the settings of your device. Over here in the settings, you just have to go to the display option. Once you are here in the display option, you just have to look for the option of touch sensitivity. So when you find the touch sensitivity option, you just have to turn it off if it is on. Some models like Samsung Galaxy or Xiaomi has that option, so you can lower the sensitivity as well and you can turn it off completely. So with the help of these methods, you are definitely going to fix this issue. If you do, just let me know that in the comment section below. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one.